taking forever.
Yeah, it's slow. Oh, I love your sparkly dress. It's like me, it's slow. Alright, now what do I do?
Tap your card.
Now I'm going to get my credit card out. Oh, you're going to the Twix. You're kidding me. What did you say, 10?
For your card.
Okay.
For your card in the bank.
Yeah, I just pressed it.
Yeah.
Then what do I
Select
do?
the number.
What number is it?
E3. E3.
E.
3 as a number. Wait.
I did it.
Yep.
Now what's happening? It didn't work.
Says redirect.
Okay. Ready for what? I already put my credit card there. Try again. You want me to do it now?